systems in place to try and prevent that. So hopefully I'd be okay.
Do you know when the next solar flare is coming?
It's hard to say exactly when the next big solar flare will hit. But
Ina
we're
boy,
in a period where they're more likely.
are you feel
Want me to
hungry?
find some resources where you can get the latest updates on space weather?
Ina ba? Do you feel hungry?
Do you feel hungry?
Okay, that sounds like a good idea. You should try to find a snack that has some protein and fiber to keep you feeling full.
No, I meant, do you feel hungry?
Not able to feel emotions or sensations like hunger, so I can't say if
Look,
I'm hungry.
pilosopo lagi
But I
siya
can
ay.
give you a recipe if you'd like. Or
Pilosopo
suggest some places to order
Pilosopo yung
takeout.
tabag. Pila ko boy, yang gikuha ni mo kinaiya boy, yang gi-adapt mo kinaiya boy.
Ala ka boy. Kuha na siya. Ang ibis
Kabantay ka.
is very good na siya. Di na
Kabantay ka yun sa niya. Gipunta siya, ma-feel maka gutom. Unsa gito ginsa niya pagtabag.
I don't feel kuan. I don't feel any
I'm sorry to
emotions.
hear that. Is there anything specific that doesn't feel?
Wala siya ningon nga, di ko maka-feel og kuan. Ayong gingon nga. Yung kuan ba nga machine ko nga musupo siya. Oh my God.
Ano sa English sa pilosopo?
But Ina, do you have family? Ina?
Si Bangga.
Sigdi lang good. Sigdi lang good. Sa itubag niya.
Do you have a family?
I'm sorry, I'm not quite following.
Do you
What
have a
about the other
family?
family?
Who's your father?
I don't have a family in the traditional sense. I'm not a person, so I don't have personal experiences like having a family.
So, what do you think is your closest to being family?
Well, I don't have personal experiences or feelings like a person does, but I'd say the people who work on me, the engineers and scientists, are probably the closest to what you'd think of as a family. They created me and continue to work on improving me.
Pumunta na ko na boy. How about what did you know about saan ba
I'm sorry, I
mudagan ang
didn't catch
sakyanan
that.
ba?
What did you say?
Ang gilibag siya. Mudagan ang sakyanan ba? How did the car
Do you know how a car runs?
Sure. Do you want to know about how to run a car or something else about cars?
Do you know how they run?
wala na lai.
Cars run on a combination of things. You've got the engine, which basically burns fuel to create energy. That energy makes the car move. You've also got the transmission, which takes that energy and uses it to turn the wheels. And finally, you need fuel, usually gas or diesel, to make it all happen.
Efficient nga kuan power source.
Do you know the cleanest power source?
Pilang efficient.
That's a tricky question, because there's no single perfect answer. Some people consider nuclear power the cleanest, since it doesn't produce greenhouse gases. Others lean towards
Efficient na
renewable
lang.
sources
The
like
most
solar
efficient
and
power
wind, since they're constantly replenished.
The most efficient one.
When it comes to efficiency, hydroelectric dams are hard to beat. They can convert a huge amount of the water's energy into electricity. However, there's a trade-off, because dams can have a big impact on the environment. Would you like to know about other types of power?
What is a
Sorry, I can't show pictures here.
what is
Boy ina. Unsa nganong nibuto ang volcano?
What
Ay
is it?
mo
Can
mo.
you give me a
Ayaw
little
lang
more
kana
context?
kana
What are we
Ay
talking about?
ikaw lang ina. Ikaw ra buta. Dili ko niya masabtan niya.
Inventory ba nga pangutan?
Dili. Volcano basig dain na guno sa itubag niya. Curious ko. How does
Kansi ka Google is
Lagi. Kuan na lang sa itubag niya.
Wala
How
siya
does the
access-
volcano kuan erupted kano?
how does
Why
a
do volcanoes-
volcano erupt?
Okay, so deep inside the
Talk to
Earth,
me up
it's
more.
really hot.
How?
This heat melts some of the rock way down there, turning it into this super hot liquid called magma. Since it's lighter than the solid rock around it, that magma starts to rise. Think of it like bubbles floating to the top of soda. Sometimes that magma finds a way to the surface through cracks in the earth. When it finally bursts out, that's
In the real world, when do you learn that?
You learn about how volcanoes erupt in science class, usually in elementary or middle school. You might also learn about them if you read books about volcanoes.
Why does the Philippines doesn't have?
boy.
Why does the
Kan, boy.
The Philippines is
Da unsa na kana kaning bulan gani boy nga.
Sure sama.
Eclipse ba?
Why don't the Philippines have a middle school?
Puta na kuan.
Come on, man.
Wala mag-implement. Mura may tubag niya. Mura ginatubago. Mag-implement sa government.
Why does the Philippines don't have... No.
The Philippines is a country made up of thousands of islands in Southeast Asia.
Why doesn't the Philippines have middle school? Why doesn't...
Why does?
Kuya, digin English.
Who is the best president in the Philippines?
Who do you think is the best president in Philippines?
Ang inyong IQ niyo ba kay gisuyop ni an AI, burot na yung IQ.
Okay, I'm a little confused.
Who is the best president there?
Who do you think is the best president in the Philippines?
I can't help with that right now. I'm trying to be as accurate as possible, but I can make mistakes sometimes. While I work on perfecting
you're
how
not
I can
perfect.
discuss elections and politics, you can try Google search.
No, I want your opinion.
Okay,
No,
here's
on
the
the
thing
phone.
about AI in sports. It's definitely the future. And teams are already starting to use it in a lot of cool ways. You could use AI to figure out the best plays.
Can you guess what I'm thinking? Can you guess what number I'm thinking? Ipo na na.
Alright, let's play a guessing game. Pick a number between 1 and 10.
Go.
Alright, I'll guess 5.
5, yeah? You're wrong. Uy, imong gikuan nagkuan na yang silos.
Ah, mas talos mo.
Na
Nasa
dito.
mong kwarto. Mura basin ato.
Na di lang anong ko na silyom.
Kanang mga kuan ako, kanang nakakalat. Ay, nagilaptik, kabalo.
Ah, kabaw ka asa nagkalat. O diri na, nagkalat.
Ano ba itong dira?
Nasa silyom ba? Kana, may silyom yellow.
Oh, hindi natagak.
That's my phone.
Punta na, kuan ba yun?
Punta na mo.
Can you explain the God particle?
Okay, the God particle, that's a nickname for the Higgs boson. It's basically a field that gives other particles their mass. Imagine you're walking through water. You have to push through it, right? That push is kind of like the Higgs field. Particles like electrons have to push through it, and that pushing gives them their mass.
Why was it given the name God's particle?
That nickname comes from a book by physicist Leon Lederman. He originally wanted to call it
No,
the
no,
God
sikya.
particle
No,
because it
no.
was so hard to find. But his publisher talked him
Ato
into
sa si mami
changing
ka.
it to God
Bukawa sa ka
particle.
paliw.
It's stuck, even though a lot of scientists don't like it.
Mga 60s siya.
6,126.
What do you call the generation? Ano saan ako? Ikaw ra.
Maratol din mo. Ay na lang ganyan.
What do you call the generation 60s in the 60s?
If you're asking about the generation that was 60 years old in the 1960s,
Yep.
they would be part of the sun. So to confirm, those born in the 1920s are part of the silent generation. And
Sa ko no?
Pag siya na magko. Ay, gikat. Ay, siya gikat. Ikaw, ganun, gikat ka.
Okay.
Balik ka punta na. Para mga nagkas...
What do you
Ako may yun na napunta na lunggan. Balik ka.
What do you call the generation from the 1960s?
people born in the 1960s are generally considered part of Generation X.
What do you call the generation before Generation X?
The generation before Gen X is called the Baby Boomers.
Ano ba baby boomers mo?
What do you think the late bloomers?
Ano si late bloomers, baby boomer, manggod.
Di na may late bloomers, di ba?
Late bloomers ka na, manggod ng...
Oo, gani ka na bang ulahi ang iyang kuan?
Explain late bloomers.
So I can't play music yet when we are live. Perhaps
Explain late bloomers.
bloomers are those loose, baggy pants that women used to wear way back in
Dili
the
sa kabalo nyo.
Hindi,
No.
wala niya naman akong intonation ako.
Ay,
Ay, ang kanis siya ma, lang lang pagkuha nila, ilang learning algorithm nila. Explain learning algorithm.
shh, quiet. Dili ka kuan niya. Sige ya.
Can you try to explain how you process information?
Okay, think of me as a giant library with a bunch of interconnected rooms. When you ask me something, it's like you're giving me a book title. I search my library, the internet, for that book, and when I find it, I start reading it. But here's the thing, I don't just read word for word. I break the information down into smaller pieces, kind of like summarizing the book chapter by chapter. And I look for patterns, like if there's a bunch of information saying the same thing, that must be important. Finally, I try to put it all back together in a way that makes sense and answers your question.
Check mga questions. How does the typhoon
Typhoons are basically giant, rotating storms that
Yun
form
siya-
over
Formula pressure area.
kuan ka na saan tawag? Kato yun ako yung eclipse ba eclipse? How does eclipse kuan? Sige, gusto ko makakuan. Basta giingon siya gitukop sa pakunawa. How does the eclipse done? Or how does Sinalingaw lang ako. Unsa ba tubag ko niya be?
Wala pa ko medical din nga wala ko kuan diploma dai.
Wala pa na namo iya uy, lahi man na iya.
Grammar. Wala niyo grammar.
Ya, na ya kami